or non-alcoholic, still, or sparkling, hot, or cold. So, aside sa water, meron din tayong iba pa alcoholic beverages, ay non-alcoholic beverages. First is yung milk. It's the most
Uy, bakit ka
important
uupo?
beverages. Napuproduce siya galing sa mammalian na lactating mammals. Tapos, siya yung pinaka-primary source of food ng mga baby na hindi pa nakaka-digest ng solid food. Next is yung fruit-flavored drinks. It's flavored with natural or artificial essence or extract or of fruit. Yung example nito is Zesto, C2, tsaka yung Tropicana. Next is yung fruited vegetable juice and nectar. Contains juice, spot, and sugar and water. Eto, yung pinagkaiba nila, pwede siya artificial. Eto, natural lang. Pero dinadagdagan ng water tsaka yung sugar. Tapos sa synthetic drink naman, meron tayong carbonated tsaka non-carbonated. Yung mga Sprite, yung tsaka mga Coke.
Alcoholic beverages naman tayo. Meron tayo malt liquor. May beer. Ang beer ay light colored brew fermented from cereal malt. Meron ng dalawang types, yung pale or pilsen and cerveza negra. Galing sa name, sabihin yung pale or pilsen na beer, light lang yung light gold colored siya and slightly bitter taste siya. Yung cerveza negra naman, dark colored green naman siya. And then, may wine naman tayo. May wine din tayo. Yung dry wine contains very small amount of sugar. Yung sweet, syempre, sweet wine siya. Yung sparkling wine naman, kapag inopen natin yung bottle ng wine, is ilalabas siya ng bubbles of carbon dioxide. And then coolers, blend siya ng wine na may fruit juice or soda water. And then sa distilled liquor naman, merong gin, colorless siya, and with rye or potato. And then, yung Philippine alcoholic beverages naman, merong basi, tuba, and lampanog. Yung basi, meron siyang basing babae and lalaki. Yung babae, sweet siya. Yung lalaki naman is dry wine. And then yung tuba, sweet fermented coconut salt. Milky in appearance. And then yung lampanog, from tuba siya, pero mas mataas yung alcohol content. Aside from that, we have coffee. So, yung types of coffee, meron tayong decaffeinated, which is yung pure coffee siya, tapos 97% ng caffeine yung niremove sa kanya. Next is yung espresso made by passive vaporizing coffee on a filter. Yung bawat like instant or soluble, mas popular siya kasi mas madali siya or mas convenient siyang inumin kasi katulad ng kaya malalagyan ng tubig. Then yung coffee substitute, hindi siya made of coffee beans, pero pinrocess siya para magaya yung coffee-like flavor ng kape. Tapos yung flavored coffee naman, siya yung mga coffee na extract, naging the aroma and taste. May mga flavor siya katulad ng na lang yung mga mocha, vanilla, cappuccino. Tapos next is yung mga
Picture mo, preschool.
number 1.
Reflectiontan ka na? Sagot.
Ha?
Reflectiontan ka na?
Wala. Hindi ako binibig ng Bernie.
Our came from the east transferred, whereas spices came from other parts like fruits, bark, or seeds. Herbs typically come from plants and with different climates. An example is basil, cilantro, mint, and parsley. They're often used fresh, pumpkin, and dried. Spices derive from the tropical plants and come from roots, rhizomes, stems, leaves, bark, seeds, or flowers. Ang mga example naman ito is cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Typically used in flavoring or browning. So, una muna sa herbs, dahon ng laurel or also known as bay leaf. So, ang scientific name is
Ito yung roll. Tin, hi ka, Tin. Sabihin mo kay Jess.
Ano lang, check attendance.
Ano malikot? Oo.
Next word ay
Grass, plants, roots and tuber starch. Ito naman yung mga nakukuhang plants sa ilalim ng lupa and legume starch. Ito naman yung may mga yung buto is nasa pod. Okay. Sa cereal starch, meron ditong apat na starches na kabilang sa cereal. Una is rice starch, kung saan ito yung nakukuha sa rice. Ang key function nito ay mag-thickening sa mga food. And ito yung pinakamaliit tsaka angular na granules sa starch. Sunod is corn starch. It's a white powder derived from corn kernels na nakukuha sa corn. Ginagamit as thickening agent din in sauces and soups. And in regular shape. Known ito for high amylose content. Yung amylose is mababanggit mamaya. It forms firm gel and it's used to meat alternatives and snacks. And then bean starch. Derived naman sa beans or like mung beans or kidney beans na may iba't ibang sizes. Usually ginagamit sa paggawa ng noodles.
May dalawang types nun is amylose and amylopectin. Amylose contains 250 and 350 glucose units, has linear chains of glucose molecules linked. Glycosidic bond has the ability to thicken gels and retrograde. While yung amylopectin naman, katulad ng sabi ni Ma'am Sheila, pag mas mahaba, branch, pag mas maikse, unbranch, contains 500 to 2,000 glucose units because of its branch nature. It is less soluble in water compared sa amylose, and its space is less opaque, thickens more readily than amylose, and is responsible for cohesiveness in starch. So, functions of starch. Siyempre, una is isa siyang thickening agent. Pangalawa is gelation and gelatination agent. Kumbaga, ang pinagkaiba ng thickening sa gelatination is yung thickening is nag-thick and yung gel is yung gel-like. Next is, siyempre, alam natin, ang starch is nag-carry din siya ng flavor. Next is binding and feeding, katulad sa yung mga fishball sauce, gano'n. Tapos, effects of ingredients. Siyempre yung sugar. Added sugar before water delays the gelatinization process. The sugar is hygroscopic. It absorbs water. Ano naman natin yun, na-discuss sa funda na ang sugar or nag-absorb ng water. Next is acid. Added acid delays gelatinization and heats softer gel. Napansin nyo ba sa ginawa ng jam? Pag sobrang thick nung jam, pag nalagyan nyo ng calamansi is medyo maglulusaw siya. Hindi siya masyado mag-thick. So, ayun yung ginagawa ng acid. So, fat, buksin siya. Sa chewy rice, made from rice and cassava sauce. So, yung flour po nito, yung starch po nito ay nakakapagbigay po ito ng clear and sticky texture po sa ating ikita. And as thickener din po.
Pagkadikit na yung dalawa.
And sa suman po natin is made from glutinous rice sprout and banana leaves. So, yung starch po rin together serves as, nakalagay po dyan, serves as rich and juice. And number 6 po natin.
Funding po kami galing sa capital company na 500,000 which is galing po yung sa mga owner na pinagambagan po namin. And meron po kaming 100,000 from the DOST Small Enterprise Account. So, total of sa cost of goods sold. Yung operating expense naman, ito naman yung expense na
Kung may reklamo sa customer,
Ang ganda lang. Saan yung kay Frances? Ako na lang sa kanya.
Research mo yung BSBS talaga.
Sa Pampanga. Layo kasi.
Very cute. Halit din mo. Dito sa medium mo. Pakita mo. Pakita mo yan. Before. Before. Parang maganda ito. See? Me and my best friend. Say hi. Dito na. Here. Up. Bayan na lang. Oh, sumakay ka na. Sumakay si Faith.
Po yung dynamite ko.
It's walkable. Wala, ang ganda ng puno. Tingnan mo, tumas ka. Diba? Bilangan niya sa video ko lang. Bigyan ko 100 makahula. Ay, pop. Guys, kinagat ako ng lamok. Kasalanan niya kasi.
Hindi ko naman ang matumingin.
Guys, ito kami guys. Babay ka na. Close the vlog.